Hello viewers, today I'll show you a quick and delicious fusion Indian pizza recipe using naan bread instead of a pizza base. I've named the recipe Chicken and Ham Naanza. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 shop-bought garlic and coriander naans. I'll also be using some slices of Italian copper ham. You can use any ham you want really. Some shredded boiled chicken. Some sliced onions, bell peppers and chilies. Some thinly sliced aubergines. Some shredded hot and spicy cheddar cheese. And some hot barbecue sauce. Let's place the naans on a baking rack. Sprinkle a bit of water on both sides of the naans, like I'm doing here. Sprinkle the water on both sides. And then dollop some of the barbecue sauce on top of the naans. And spread out the sauce like I'm doing here. Then place the delicious copper ham slices on top, followed by the chicken slices, the onions, peppers and red chilies, aubergines, and lastly the shredded hot and spicy cheddar cheese. Spray a bit of oil on top and put it in a 200 centigrade fan oven for at least 6 to 8 minutes. In it goes. And out it comes. There you go. Our colorful, flavorful, very Moorish fusion chicken and ham naanza is ready to be served. You can see that the cheese has melted and the veggies are lightly seared. Believe me, it tastes great. So give it a try and enjoy.